So I'm here with my Kawasaki ex500 1989, and I cannot get it to start. I've checked about everything there is, anything from alternator, fuses. I've replaced this whole junction box. I've checked this, the fuse is good. It's the fuse for the starter relay. My starter will not engage. I don't know why, but it won't. I've got the bike on, hit run, and I get this ticking, which is what it's supposed to do, but the starter will not start. I took the starter off, took it to a Napa Auto Parts, and they tested it, and it starts. So it's a good starter. I've taken it off, but I can't get the juice I'm needing, or there's a fuse or something. I don't know, but if anybody has any ideas, put it in the comments. Thank you.